This video is brought to you from one agency far north. 3 Wilson Way, Hihi. Nestled in the coastal community of Hihi, this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home offers the perfect balance of privacy, space, and low-maintenance living. Set on approximately 2 acres of beautifully landscaped grounds, the property enjoys water views in 2 directions. The expansive indoor-outdoor flow to both front and back decking creates the perfect place to relax and enjoy the tranquil surroundings. Designed for easy living, the home features a light-filled open-plan layout, contemporary finishes, and stylish modern decor. Whether you're seeking a permanent home, retirement retreat, or holiday escape, this property offers flexibility and comfort in equal measures. A heat pump and wood-burning fireplace provide the year-round comfort while you enjoy the coastal lifestyle at its best. The 174 square metre home features a spacious master suite complete with walk-in wardrobe and ensuite, and 2 additional double bedrooms, one with a walk-in wardrobe, and serviced by a family bathroom, office, and laundry. Adding further versatility is a large games or hobby room with convenient roller door. Beautifully maintained grounds and sweeping lawns create an immediate sense of space and privacy, with a double garage, concrete access, and room for boats and cars. Hihi is a quiet, sought-after coastal settlement in the far north, bordering the stunning Doubtless Bay and Mangonui Harbour. Known for its friendly community, boating and fishing opportunities, Hihi even features its own boat ramp. Just 10 minutes from the shops and restaurants of Mangonui and close to some of Northland's most beautiful beaches. To arrange a viewing, contact Leonie, one agency, far north.